All right, 2 days later, we're back to the drawing board. What I found was going on here is there's some corrosion in the cylinder, and that's why this baby was locking up. And taking the manifold off, see these gaskets here kind of messed up, and you have if you look on the block down here, you have little holes, and apparently some water was getting through and going because the gasket was messed up and getting in the cylinder. All right, that's a little, see this area right here? I would guess that's where the water was getting into the cylinder through here. And there might be other areas also. And because of that, and the car sat for months, corrosion developed in the cylinder.